he's got one. Damn it, that thing lit.
I would not go up there.
Oh, fucker ain't lighting. I'm scared to go over here too, I'll tell you that. Get up on there and light it again.
Hey,
It
use
was
this.
lit.
Use this.
Hey, let me see that thing. At least that'll deflect them from me.
Run!
He's got something bouncing around by him. That looks like it's a misfire. The whole thing?
Really?
Yeah, I mean, there's no fuse. It's gone.
Well,
Well, open up the
fuck
box
it.
and pull out the fuse that's underneath. Just lay in the prone and use. You only got one. Oh shit.
Recording.
Grab my clear lenses with me.
Oh god.
Might want to get lower to missiles if I can. God damn, that's a. Should definitely probably have more standoff than catch at all. Man, it should wrap me like a Zippo lighter instead of a screw one.
Did you ever find your light? Did you ever find your light?
Yeah, it was in my right pocket. I haven't put it in there. That's pretty bad.
I like that last one.
That thing was only like $30 too. That was pretty bad.
Wait!
Y'all upset Lulu so much she threw up over there.
Get that dog. Legit Fort Bragg fireworks. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, that thing flew.
Well, that one before that I like the best.
Yeah. They change it every year though, so there's no way to change it. I call it circle. Yeah, the perfect circle. Do a grand finale, damn it. Yeah.
Pew 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 pew.
You gotta step your fucking game up around this motherfucker. Shit, I don't think anyone else spent like $700 on fucking.
Oh, they like our shit
on
over
fireworks. Get it.
I would be scared.
Pretty good.
Ow!
Oh, that was good.
Yeah, but there's no more of these. You have to get a can. Hey, hurry up, man. Oh, my line.
Daddy, it's right there.
Alright. You had a low show. sounded just like it.
Lindsay, move. Hey.
Damn, what the fuck was that thing? To call the cops, it would be because of that. They don't give a fuck about the noise. You should have moved that box if anything shoots wide. Started off low. Like a fucking goddamn, I thought it was about to be a fucking parachute flare like or something.
Boom. Yeah, 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 yeah.
This one? The light one, the ladder went out by you. Make sure you go for
Oh yeah, you know you can post pictures on Instagram too. Or videos. I can't. Why?
dead cow. Put some different ones in there. Put this one in there. Pretty sure they got a fire over there. Oh, shit. Where's the fire at? Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and say they do. That's why we can't have fun things.
I'm back.
God damn it. I only got one.
That was more than one.
It had
I know that.
Oh, then the explosion was the other one.
Jesus, lighting up the whole sky.
The explosion from the first one, because I didn't get to light the other one, lit the other one. That's pretty hot. Did old man take his fucking lighter over there? Fire that fucking pig skin.
There's no fire. I wonder what that pizza guy's thinking. Christopher! Christopher!
Actually kind of worked out right there.
You gonna do this?
No, we're going to save that one for the end, because allegedly it's the showstopper. I'm betting it's not, but right when he goes back to work. Make sure he gets that. That dog throw up again? Yeah. Fucking threw up.
Well, put some shit in
Joey might mess out, so that dude can get by.
hid amongst the stuffed animals. She couldn't find her for a while.
Tiny's in your room hiding.
No, I think she got. Did you take her out of my room?
Yes,
Yeah, they got her.
They might want to leave, so that dude can leave.
Yeah, they did. He's got to turn around. He's got the whole. He's in a vehicle. He's good.
Yeah.
That could be. The hell is that? You see that?
Did you?
Oh, the fuse threw out.
Oh, fucking skeeters are fucking up.
Man, I already got chigger bites all over my legs. I don't even care.
They wouldn't be out as bad as the smoke is right here.
You'd think. Should have got them damn tiki torches. Didn't plan that shit. Actually, where's your bug spray at? Is it in your garage? I just want to spray my legs. They ain't messing with nothing else. Here, look.
I know.
Looking at multicam back.
Let's do this.
Hey, who else wants some of this bug spray for them fucking things? Hey,
I'm in my arms.
Alright, let me.
Hey, they got this. Okay. That's what I'm going to do.
Oh, you got her. My fuse fucking got him. That motherfucker burnt the shit out of me.
What?
What? Shit all over me. I told you. Let me flip sides again. Okay,
What's the lid to it? I don't know.
not ready, I'm not ready. Ow, shit! That's why I like the suspension. But I don't even know what this. I hope it's a P. But I don't know if it is.
How do we know which way to face it?
Ow!
Like a long way?
Yeah, I just faced it the long way again like I accidentally did last time. That damn fucker was on fire, but it didn't hit the fuse. And somehow it burnt me. Real cool if I can get one of those little fucking M81s or whatever and like fuse them all together with like some kind of deck cord
Okay.
and blow them all at the same time.
Joey.
It's on fire. Nope, then just blow a little air on. Maybe it'll catch.
Joey.
Yeah, nice fuse. Just about as fast as all them light vents they got from Taylor Swift the other night. Wow, was this lighter brand new? I didn't do a very good risk assessment. I think your gray cat killed itself.
Why?
I don't know. I didn't see it in there. cat was out walking around.
I hope it didn't sneak out.
You left your door open also. I know you don't.
Oh, my bedroom door?
Yeah.
No.
You left it open so they can't go in there and be weirdos. I'm sure it's in here hiding underneath the chair.
It smells. Cough, cough, stink.
Shit on the floor.
That's good. Wait till Lindsay finishes her thing. Then we'll...
Goddamn fireball dropping.
So it's gonna end that fire. Some real shit just happened. Now we got a little thing. So
Go out there and fire your shit up.
wait till she gets done. She wants the shit.
Fire that fucking pig skin.
Oh, let's smoke that skin wagon.
Dun 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 dun
Hell yeah!
dun 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 dun
Joey!
dun 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 dun.
Doing that show stopper?
You ready?
You be doing this first?
I ain't wanted to do it last. That one's got 49 shots in it. This
Dun
one's got
dun
5
dun.
shots.
That's gonna go way up and explode.
Okay, Jason, go do yours.
I'm trying to find the goddamn fuse stick.
Dun 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 dun.
I think you said do this. Do yours first.
Dun 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 dun.
Here we go.
Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun.
Let's see if it's actually a showstopper.
Dun 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 dun.
That's
Dun
pretty
dun
good.
dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun.
Pretty high, too.
Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun.
That was a low.
Dun dun
I
dun dun
don't know what that one was.
dun.
Just
Dun
like,
dun 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 dun. Dun dun
That's alright. Alright.
Woohoo!
Fireworks going off. I was in an airplane.
Last firework.
Last firework! Yeah!
Last one for the
Epic win!
Yeah, this is good. 49 shots. It better be fucking good.
49 shots for the win.
Is that the same thing? Yeah, it has potential.
Is that 49 already? Are you fucking going on like that?
That.
What do you want to eat?
I guess I'm probably have to get another bag. Where's my lighter?
Want me to put them over here right now?
Like that fucking one you